Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making apple, cashew nuts, and some chia seeds smoothie for weight loss and to help with blood circulation. Firstly, I'm going to prep up my ingredients. First, we're going to prep up our chia seeds. I'm going to soak them in water for 2 minutes. Give it a quick stir in there. Let that sit for 2 minutes. Now my cashew. Adding some fresh cashew nuts, around about 20 into a bowl, and then adding some warm water. And we'll let that sit for around about 4 minutes. Okay guys, now I'm going to prep my apple. I'm going to cut it into 8. That's my apple prepped. Okay guys, these are all my ingredients prepped, and now I'm going to put them into my speed blender. Okay guys, so first goes in my apples. After that, my cashew nuts. I'm now going to add in my chia seeds that are freshly soaked. I'm now going to add some fresh water. I will now cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. After blending, this is what it looks like. I'm now going to serve it. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss and can help with blood circulation. Let me know in the comment section below which country you're watching me from. As we are now come to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.